Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious Kunafa chocolate bar at home. First, gather all your ingredients, including fine Kunafa dough, your favorite chocolate, and unsalted butter. You'll also need a small amount of simple syrup. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Let's get started on this delightful treat. Now, let's prepare the Kunafa dough. Take your Kunafa and shred it into small, fine pieces. Next, melt about 1/2 cup of unsalted butter. Pour this melted butter over the shredded Kunafa and mix it thoroughly until every strand is coated. Then, press half of this buttered Kunafa mixture firmly into your chosen mold or pan. It's time to assemble our delicious bar. Melt 200 grams of your preferred chocolate using a double boiler method for a smooth consistency. Once melted, pour a thin, even layer of this chocolate over the pressed Kunafa in your mold. Immediately, sprinkle a generous layer of crushed pistachios or any other filling you love over the chocolate. To finish, gently cover your filling with the remaining buttered Kunafa dough, pressing it down lightly. Then, pour the rest of your melted chocolate evenly over this top Kunafa layer, ensuring everything is covered. Finally, place your Kunafa chocolate bar in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours, allowing it to set completely and become firm.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.